Assalamualaikum and very good morning. This is our slide presentation for the assignment project management, and we are from group KUDRAT. The company we choose is Exact Oil and Gas Sdn Berhad. Next, this is our content, which is include about the introduction, project details, phases of the project life cycle, challenges and how to face the challenges, phases review, potential improvement, project management software. And then next is team members. We have a 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 members, which is include me, Afdali Saliati binti Ahmad. Second, Ahmad Taufik bin Abdul Wahab. Third, Ahmad Fauzan bin Fazal. Next, Nur Fahima binti Tirmizi. And the last one is Nur Balkis Alia binti Zahir.
Hi, my name is Nur Fahima binti Tirmizi, PC 2121, and now I'll present introduction part. Okay, before I start, I will introduce the interviewer that I have interviewed. First is Mr. Ming Chong Wong as a project manager, and also Mr. Muhammad Ashraf as a project executive. On 2 June 2023, High Council Group under subject project management BTQ 2233 had an interview with Exact Oil and Gas Sdn Berhad, Petroleum Nasional Berhad. The Exact Oil and Gas company provide an intensive range of oil and gas associated products and services to the oil and gas industry, including the popular gas detection system and services to the oil and gas industry. A part of gas detection system and gas analyzer, they can also supply other products and services such as project management, hookup and commissioning, instrument calibrations, and so on. Also, the Exact Oil and Gas Sdn Berhad being recognized since 2012 by Petronas and being one of the company that providing for client oil and gas also to the client general industry. For example, the company offer humidity measurement, fire measurements, analyzer of water, and dust analyzer. This company are registered under ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 4500. This company wants to be a company that always give a supported system that always provide product to the client, especially for oil and gas client. Okay, and now I will explain about project. The project that Exact Oil and Company Sdn Berhad had been complete is Petronas Chemical Derivatives. The main goal of this project is to analyze oxygen in order to maintain safety, efficiency, and control in a wide range of industrial processes. The project will take 3 months to complete. The goal of this project is to create a monitoring system that uses high temperature heating extraction technology to continuously monitor the gas. The project wants to provide the type of gas analyzer that will uses laser technology to measure the concentration of oxygen in a gas sample. The advantage of using in laser oxygen analyzer is high accuracy and precision. This provides accurate oxygen measurement even at a very low level. And the laser oxygen is more stable, less affected by interference from other gases. That's all.
My name is Ahmad Taufik bin Abdul Wahab. I will present this phase of the project life cycle. A project normally passes through each of the various stages of the project life cycle from start to finish. First of all, the project life cycle is project initiation. You must choose a business need, issue, or opportunity, and this day deciding on a project goal and to define the project department, you must define the product or service who the project will affect and what demand they may have. Second, the project life cycle is project planning. Project plan is created in this stage. A communication strategy is also created. Not only that, for this project, it must be the planning decided by the client. Next, the project performing. Project performing after completing the project, funds are used, activity begin and flag are produced. Project manager control resource, plan activity and monitor process to keep project to track. To complete the project on time in the pace, communication must be maintained and quality work must be done by the work. Last, the project life cycle is project closing. This documentation should be distributed to all relevant stakeholders and used to guide future maintenance and cleaning efforts. The project team has released any resource used for the project, including personnel, equipment, material, and all the project is complete.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Fauzan bin Fazal. My matrix number is PC21127 and today I will share with you about challenges to face by the company. First, improving the environmental footprints. The last barrier is the expansion of environmental footprints. There is a broad consensus that extractive industry, including the oil and gas industry, are bad for environment. One of the main problems in the oil and gas industry is environmental preservation due the ineffective management during the discovery and production phase. The firm will incur financial losses and cause environmental damage. Second, improving company performance. As workers in the oil and gas industry, one of the challenges you are confronted is boosting business performance to ensure asset valuation. Oil and gas companies must therefore come out with an innovative solution in order to increase job productivity and meet corporate goals. The greatest fleet management system is a modern strategy you can use. And last one is reducing cost to remain competitive. How to produce crude oil to refine product at a reduced cost to remain competitive is one of the primary difficulties faced by the businesses in the oil and gas sector. A cost reduction plan is frequently adopted by oil and gas corporations as their primary corporate strategy. Additionally, implementing a cost-cutting strategy is the best course of action for the survival and expansion of your oil and gas firm. Thank you. Next, I will continue my sharing section, which is how to face the challenges. First, keeping project on time and under budget. All businesses in the oil and gas sector anticipate operating efficiently. If you don't have careful planning, this is considerably more challenging. As a result, you must monitor and assess each project you are working on. Second, keeping an eye on the whole project with accurate information. The success of oil and gas enterprise can be impacted by the variety of little and large factors. As technology becomes more sophisticated, many businesses in this industry compete to be the best. Monitoring the status of your company's project is one strategy to boost profitability. And last but not least is making an informed decision through the whole life cycle. Making decision entails choosing the course of action that will keep your oil and gas company viable. Your business must take into account both internal and external aspects that will impact the decision along the process. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Ahmad Taufik bin Abdul Wahab. I want to present about the pace review. The different pace of the project life cycle play a crucial role in determining the success of the project. First of all, the iteration pace is the starting point of the project and define the project, identify the stakeholder, and establishing the project team. The pace set the direction and purpose of the project. The success of the pace is essential for the overall success of the project. Secondly, the planning phase involves development a detailed plan for how the project will be executed. This includes identify and estimating the resource need. A well-planned project is more likely to be complete on the time and within budget. Next, the execution phase involves carrying out the work, define the project plan, include managing the project team, and monitoring process to ensure that is to safety produce. The success of the past depend on the efficiency and effective of the project team and all as well the quality of the work being done. Lastly, the closing pass. Closing pass it was completing our work firmly accepting the resource. This help to ensure that the project is formally complete and all stakeholders are satisfied. In conclusion, the result of the different parts of project life cycle have a significant impact on the success of the project. Effective planning, execution, monitoring, and control all key factors in ensuring the overall success of a project.
My name is Nur Balkis Alameddin Zahir, and now I would like to present about potential improvement for a similar future project. First is adoption of IO system. The use of the ISO system in an oil and gas project or a similar future project often serve potential improvement. Second is cost control and profitability. Project manager should closely monitor costs and strive to reduce them to stay within the approved budget. The third is workforce training and development. Investing in training program for the workforce is essential to ensure that they possess the necessary skill and knowledge to successfully complete the project. Fourth is focus on employees' mental health. It is essential for companies to train managers and staff to identify and address mental health issues effectively. And lastly is continuous improvement. To avoid repeating mistakes from previous projects, it is important to continue strive for improvement.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Saliati binti Ahmad, ID matric PC21033. Now I will explain about the project management software and their application. To start the project, Mr. Wong highly recommend using Microsoft Project for this project. So it is because this software has additional project management function. For example, the features of this software is can access the team, can update the task status, and also create a map the project path. Next is planning stage. In this project, it has been used three software, which are Microsoft Project. The second one is Microsoft Word, and the last one is PDF editor. For the Microsoft Project, one of the function is to help the project manager to make a plan, and it can provide a display used by the team project manager to visualize the workflow in the future. Okay, not only that. With the software, it can create a Gantt chart. Okay, with the existence of the Gantt chart, it can show the outline of the project process from the beginning to the end of the project being completed. Okay, the presence of the Microsoft project can help the project manager to manage a project more efficiently and orderly. And one of the advantage of the software is that it can do production scheduling effectively. Next is Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word can produce a letter or a report. This software has has advanced feature that allow project manager to format and edit reports with Microsoft Word. It can make various type of documents. For example, planning accountability reports, making application letters, and the last one is business proposals. This software also provides free templates for all users to create document based on their desired taste. And finally, is a PDF editor. PDF editor is a software that allow users to edit PDF document. The features available such as adding text, image, and also document markup. And then this software is usually used after all the report that have been written through Microsoft Word. After already done, it will be converted to a PDF file before it officially given to the client to present. This is because PDF allows clients to save documents in the same format so that they can be opened and read on various devices and operating system without performance or layout problem. For the execution stage, software that have been used is Gmail. Gmail allows the project manager to present all the document and reports to the client. And not only that, this software also show how the project manager communicate with the foreign and domestic customers. Lastly is closing stage. The software that have been used in this stage for this stage is a virtual private network or VPN. Okay, this software is used to create a private scope of computer communication, and it provides secure connection to private network. And not only that, with the VPN, it can identify whether the processing of good is in a condition that is available, sufficient, and safe to which they use. That's all from me. Thank you.